Ever wondered how much caffeine is in an espresso bean? It's a burning question that keeps many curious minds awake at night, and today, we're going to dive into the depths of the caffeinated world to find out. When it comes to caffeine, the humble espresso bean is quite the contender. The average espresso bean contains about 1 to 2% caffeine. Now that might not sound like a lot, but when you consider that a typical shot of espresso uses around 40 to 50 beans, it starts to add up. That's right. Your morning jolt of espresso is packed with a punch of around 64 to 128 milligrams of caffeine. But how does this compare to other sources of caffeine? Well, the typical 8-ounce cup of black tea has about 47 milligrams of caffeine. That's less than a single shot of espresso. And what about the beloved can of cola? It contains roughly 29 milligrams of caffeine. Even your favorite bar of dark chocolate, which does contain some caffeine, only holds about 12 milligrams per ounce. So it's clear that the espresso bean is a caffeine powerhouse, easily outpacing many other common sources of caffeine. But remember, it's all about moderation. The recommended daily caffeine intake for a healthy adult is no more than 400 milligrams. So while your morning shot of espresso may give you a much-needed boost, it's important not to overdo it. Now let's summarize. The average espresso bean contains about 1 to 2% caffeine. This means that a shot of espresso, which uses around 40 to 50 beans, contains about 64 to 128 milligrams of caffeine. Compared to other common sources of caffeine, the espresso bean holds its own, surpassing the caffeine content of black tea, cola, and dark chocolate. So the next time you reach for that shot of espresso, remember, you're not just getting a delicious drink, you're getting a powerful caffeine kick. But as with all things, enjoy it in moderation. Stay awake, stay curious, and stay caffeinated.